Hello there. Today I'm going to show a quick little video on how to use the center step die to make a quick folded card. This die does nothing to the outside edges of the paper, so you're going to use a 5.5 by 8.5, which is a half sheet of cardstock. This will make a perfect A2 card to fit in an A2 envelope. You can see the cut lines and the score lines on the die. So how you're going to do it is you're just going to orient the die. This strip down here is your bottom edge. So we're going to just lay that here on my mat. I have my magnetic base plate, and I'm going to slide that down. If you don't have a magnetic base plate, you're going to want to probably use something like stencil tape to hold the die in place. And just slide that up there. Get that even with the edge, more or less. My cardstock's a little wider on that side. You can always trim it at the end. I'm going to put my lid on this. Now this is the Vagabond. It is an electric machine, so it does make noise. Give me just 1 second and I will cut this for you. I don't have a lot of room out the back of my machine, so I'm going to reverse and drive it back towards me. This also ensures the cut if you have a thicker cardstock, just cutting it twice, but it also saves your lower back. You're not lifting up and reaching over. So you're going to just pick up and remove the die if it wasn't taped, or untape it if it was taped. And you can see the score lines here. So what we're going to do is just bend at the score lines. Score line here. And then it scores at the end of the cut here. What I like to do is get them started. I'm going to fold it sideways, and I'm going to align what I call my legs. So you can accidentally bend it crooked, and I don't like crooked, so I just kind of line it up like that and get my legs straight. I'm going to rotate it around, kind of just squish it down. It now wants to go naturally to where it belongs. And then I'm going to lay it down here and just smooth this direction. Should use a bone folder on these edges, but I use my thumbnail instead. So now we have the center step card already done, folded perfectly every time. You can cut 2 of these at a time with the die if you use a medium weight cardstock. Your second card score lines aren't going to be as deep as your first, but once you're used to folding it, you will have it done. Thank you for joining me.